everyone? We have some bad news. The 7M is hurt. We don't know how or why, but it's hurt. If you noticed in the last video, all the smoke coming out of the catch can, well, we thought it would go away after it heated up and whatnot, but it never did. So, Randall just did did you do a leak down?
And a compression.
He did a leak down and a compression test. Compression test revealed that the number 3 cylinder only had 60 psi of pressure. And then the leak down test confirmed it's on the bottom end. So, what we're doing today is, given time and whatnot, but our plan today is to pull out the 7M GTE and hopefully get it on the stand and see what's going on with it. But like I said, time is our enemy. But yeah, so we're gonna save you the process of pulling it out and just do it, because we've shown that before. So we're just gonna get as much done as we can. Hopefully, be able to pull it out today. That's what I would like to at least get done, is get it out of the car. But yeah, we're gonna try and get it out and see what's going on with it. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, they're gonna swap it. Yes, finally. No, we're not doing that. We're just gonna repair the one cylinder and put it back in. Maybe, yeah.
We might find some other damaged stuff that needs to be fixed.
And I'm sure if anybody would like to sponsor us with a new motor and all the electronics that go with it, I'm sure Randall wouldn't mind swapping it.
No.
But anyway, I'm gonna set up the camera and do time lapse of whatever we're doing and see how far we get. So, thank you for watching this video. It is with, a sad heart that we have to pull it out this early in the process, but, it happens. So, yeah, have fun. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Just rambling. Because I'm going to make Randall do all the work while I just hold the camera. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're going to get to it and see how far we get. And you get to come along for the ride. Well, it's been like, I don't know.
2 years?
It feels like 2 years since we worked on the Supra. So we haven't done anything since the last time we filmed, but you haven't, well, you watched it like a second ago, but it's been like a year. And we haven't done anything, and magically the motor's back together. So I guess the motor fairies came and put it back together.
I guess. They keep punishing me with the 7M.
At least you don't have a 2-valve 4.6.
Ew.
So I don't really remember what we explained about this, why it had to come out. Lost compression in cylinder 3 due to a cracked piston. Randall was able to get a whole set of pistons from Rock Auto
Thank you, Rock Auto.
for $20.
$20, yeah.
So he just left those sitting on his bench, and one day the motor fairies came and put it all back together for him.
They hate me. They want to see me suffer.
So today we're gonna finish putting everything back on and go throw it back in that guy over there.
So I can break again.
All right, valve cover's on. So now we get to put the fun stuff on, like that. Turbski over there. Then after that, it's oil pan, transmission.
Yeah, I gotta put that rear plate back on.
And then,
Should be ready to go in the car.
yeah, should be ready to go back in. Exciting. This time it didn't take nearly as long as last time.
I actually had better luck finding parts this time.
Yeah.
And I didn't have to rebuild as much.
I didn't know Maxpeedingrods sold Master Power turbos. Engine stand's coming off. Gotta put the rear main on. Oil pan, transmission, car. Easy as that.
Until I remember I forgot something.
And then you gotta take it all back out.
Yep.
Yes, another week has gone by. But that's how we do. But today is the day that this is definitely going back in that. All we gotta do is bolt the transmission to the engine
Put it in the car.
and then put it in the car. Easy as that.
Yeah, should be.
Transmission's back on. Torque converter is bolted up. So everything is ready to go back in the Supra. But first we're going to try to, while it's out, try to address this transmission leak. Because it's just pouring out. So, after we address that, going back in. All right, we got 15 minutes to get this motor in, or we turn into pumpkins. forgot to put the inspection plate on.
You don't need it.
One moment. So we made the mistake of putting the manifold on first before getting this motor mount bolt in. Now we have to take the motor mount, the manifold off so we can get this in. See, these are all things you should not do. So this is the best how-to segment in all the land.
Well, also, most people don't have solid motor mounts, so.
Yeah. If you have solid motor mounts in a tubular manifold, slide this bolt in first. It's in. Took some fighting, as always, but it's in. We just gotta tighten up the mounts and get cherry picker out, engine hoist, whatever you want to call it, and then push it back in the garage and call it quits for a day.
We gotta get transmission
Or a
mount.
week.
At least the bolt in the transmission mount.
Yeah, that's what I want. Alright, motor's in. It's final resting place for the next
2 months.
2 months, you think? Well, we made it 7.
We'll give it 3. We'll give it 3.
I'd say 8.
Okay. You're being very
Because
optimistic.
we made it 7 last time.
Why would it be more? Shouldn't it be less?
Well, we got them brand new Rock Auto pistons in there.
I guess.
But anyway, like I said, that's going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching. Happy 4th. Happy birthday, America. We love you.
America.
But this will probably come out on the 5th. So
It's kind of weird though that we're like, "Happy Birthday, America," and we do a video on the Supra. Shouldn't we be doing one on the Mustang?
yeah,
2-valve
2 valves of fury.
for life.
I want to make sure it says that 2 valves of fury.
I mean, you work at a printing press, so it shouldn't be too hard to make.
All right. See you
should
next
get your
time.
license plate.
Yeah. 2 valves of fury.
There you go.
2 valve fury.
There you go.
All right. See you next time.
Love you.
Bye.